What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I got like shorts on and I am about to go get coffee. And basically, she snowed pretty good. I thought we were done with the snow, but unfortunately we're not. As you look outside there, we still got quite a bit of snow on the ground. It snowed again for the last 2 days, so oh well. And I'll probably have to shovel my walkway too for people. I don't know. I thought I was done with all that there. I thought it was, basically chill out and relax. Not have to do anything, but I guess I'll have to shovel again too. Throw on the shoes. With this quarantine going on, folks, I haven't even been getting dressed properly. I've just been lazing around. Not really doing much, just relaxing, I guess. But anyways, let's get out to the truck, get that coffee. Alright folks, so we are on our way now to Tim Hortons. I'm in the truck. A bunch of snow on the truck. I didn't even clear it off. I just jumped in because I got my shorts on. Yeah, that's it. Stop and then put your single light on, right? God, people. Anyways, as you can see here, we are going. I still never got the snow off the front of my hood. I wonder what that guy's doing with the truck here. But it's not very cold out. I mean, it's what is it, -12? I mean, some people might say that's cold, but when you're used to -40 and 45, right? It's -12 ain't that bad here. So we'll swing up here. Not very far to Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons is just around the corner. Grab my coffee like I do every day. I think the thing now, folks, is I see like people are starting to come back out, and they are. Yeah, they're getting tired of being stuck in the house, so you see more traffic lately. People are starting to get out, just out to drive around, not even going anywhere, right? And then with the price of gas, yeah, gas is so cheap now. I mean, I remember back in the day when I was younger, when I was a kid, it was $20. You put in we had an old, 96 Cavalier, and $20 to fill the tank. Anyways, let's grab that coffee.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I get an extra large triple, 2 extra large, 2 milk, 2 sweetener with espresso shots?
Extra large, triple, 2
yeah.
extra large, 2 milk, 2 sweetener, both with espresso?
Yeah, and 2 chocolate glazed donuts.
Okay.
Alright, so we got at a Tim Hortons there. Like, that Tim Hortons, man, I don't know about them. Like, I told them I wanted 2 chocolate glazed donuts. I don't know if I got it in the video or not, but they're like, we only have 1 plain donut. I said I never asked for a plain donut. I asked for 2 chocolate glazed. Every time I go to that Tim Hortons, it's like they can't get their head out of their ass. I understand, it's not the greatest job, but it's funny, they're not allowed to accept tips at the Tim Hortons out here. Back where I'm from, back east, that's what makes people work at Tim Hortons. Like, they wouldn't work there if it wasn't for the tips, because there's no money unless you're making tips, right? Like, out here they pay a little extra, but even still, what they're paying extra is just wouldn't be enough. Anyways, that's right. I found that scanner yesterday. I gotta plug that in and see if I can reset the low tire pressure. I don't know how to reset the low tire pressure. I put air in the truck, in the tire, but the low air pressure didn't go off, so I don't know. I probably should have checked all 4 of them. I don't know. But anyways, we are getting back to the house here. As you can see, like, it snowed like a little bit last night. I thought we were done with the snow for a little bit. I fired up the little car this morning. That should be still running here now. Maybe not. Might have shut off by now. Who knows? Oh. No, it's still running. See, you can hear it running. Yeah. Can't really do much work to that in this weather. So, yeah, we'll get her all fixed up here shortly. We'll get her back on the road soon enough. I don't know. I might even keep it. Who knows, folks? I was thinking I'd keep it. I'd wrap her. I'd do all kinds of stuff to it, right? Just to create content and I mean, really, what do I need to sell it for? You know, I could, instead of going and buying another one and having to do more work to that one, I could keep this one and do a bunch of content to it. And I don't know, maybe down the road get rid of it after I wear out the content of it. No, I don't know. We'll see. Let's get in the house with these donuts for the kids and coffee for me and the wife, and we'll go from there. Well, I'm back in the house, folks, and I got my coffee here. I'm gonna drink now. You know, this quarantine stuff is making it hard. Then you get the snow on top of it. You know, I could have just went and bought the stuff to tear that back of that car apart to do something, right? Like, but oh, I needed that. And then we got the kids, right? That you love them, but you love it when they go to school too. Driving Daddy crazy.
Yeah, I do.
Right?
You sleep too much, so
I sleep too much. No, you don't sleep enough. You keep me up until 1 and 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
And then you're up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Preferably wrong. 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. And then this fella, look, always up to no good, being bad. Come on, put that stroller back, man. Actually, I was thinking of this table, it needs to be sanded and stuff. I said to the wife I should grab the stuff and do this here too, sand this down, get this back, because this is pure hardwood. They're what do they call that? Solid oak wood. And it was just painted over, right? So we just need to sand it back. Sand it back. I'll put a nice varnish on it. Just make it beautiful again.
Why didn't you just paint it with black?
Maybe get some new chairs for it or something. I don't know.
Why can't you just paint it black?
Well, no, I wouldn't paint it black. I would,
Guys, look.
varnish it. I'd probably get like a black varnish or a dark varnish or something and varnish it after I sanded it. So it would make it look a lot nicer because it definitely needs to be sanded, as you can see here, like where the paint that was on it was all torn off, right? Like, here. But this here, it just, you can peel it off, right? See how I can just scratch it? Yeah, so that's what I was thinking of doing, is getting some sandpaper. I could probably sand that down with say a 60 grit, then go to an 80, right? Yeah. Get it back, you know, and then by the time I was finished, I'd be at like a, you know, I don't know, 300 grit or something. I'm not sure, but you know, really, I could do it and make it look a lot better. So that's a thought in my mind to get that done. Still waiting on a couple things, but that's a thought to get that done. I think it would. You know, some of you guys might not be interested in it, but there's people out there that are interested in it, and I think it would be good content for them to learn how to do stuff like that. So, that's a thought in my mind too. The kids, all their Power Wheels out there, you can see the truck out there, all their Power Wheels, the batteries went dead in them from being out in our shed, because we don't have the big house like we did have. And we couldn't keep it in the house, so we had to put everything out there, and all the batteries went dead. And I said to them, I said, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to buy one motorcycle battery, and we'll connect it to all of them. So whenever you want to use one, we'll just switch it over to that one, and you can use it. And that way I can recharge it. And it'll make the Power Wheels go a lot faster, right? It'll make it go a lot faster. So, you know, that's another thing I got in mind of doing too, once we get rid of all this snow, obviously. But it's hard to make content, folks, without having stuff to be able to do. Like, you know, like the snow is stopping me. I can't take the car to the car wash because the car wash is closed right around the corner. You know, I can't do no work on the car because the snow is all on the ground. I'm not going out and working in the snow. You know, the table, well, I guess I could do the table right here. It'd just make a damn mess in the house, right? So, you know, it's all stuff that I could do. It's the consequences that are behind it, so. So I was sitting here, folks, with my son, and we are watching Auto Auction Rebuilds. That's basically what I'm going to do today. I'm going to watch Auto Auction Rebuilds, his episode, and who else got one out? The DDE family, they got one out. And what's another one that I watched? I think Goon Squad got one out. Make sure I say that right. Goon Squad. I think they got one out too. So we're gonna watch the three of those. And the kids are coming because they hear me talking on the camera. No, he's doing his YouTube too with his mom's phone. So
We just started with the police.
and we got the baby right there. Hello, little man. Smile for the camera. Smile, Kingston. Hello.
You're the good guy.
There we go. All right. So now what we got on the screen is the speedometer. Anyways, folks, with that said, this is what my day is going to be for today. I hope you like this video. And if you do, give it that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right down there. We'll see you on the next one.